Hello fashion lovers and welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about the basics. But first of all, if you like this video, please thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I publish every Thursday morning at 9 a.m. But now let's talk about fashion heads. The clothes are the main element in a fashion illustration. The head can give the twist that we need to make stand out our illustration. Watch the video until the end to listen at my main tip to draw an amazing fashion head. But now, let's draw.
Begin with drawing an oval. Track a vertical line in the middle. Now 3 lines horizontally. The eyes line, the nose line and the mouth line. Start shaping the face now. Add ears from the nose line to the eyes line. Sketch the eyebrows, the bottom of the nose, the eyes and the mouth. Now add some glamour fashion features. Thinking about makeup and the feeling you want to obtain. Is she a boss girl? A model? Basically, think about her personality and make it alive. Now that the pencil sketch is over, I'm ready to draw the main lines with the ink. That's it! Our fashion head is ready!
Here is my main tip to draw an amazing fashion head. Master the basics. Once you can draw a perfect fashion head in a classic way, you will find your own style. So exercise a lot and find your own way to do it. Ciao!